Your one hand at your rib cage, other hand at your lower abdomen. Inhale, expand your rib cage. Your belly will expand naturally. Exhale, lower your belly towards your spine. Inhale, rib cage expanded. Exhale, bring your belly towards your spine. We are not pulling or squeezing your belly, it's just a gentle fall. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale, expand your rib cage fully. Exhale. This will activate your transverse abdominal muscles, the deep connecting tissues. Inhale, expand. Exhale, gentle fall your belly. Inhale, keep going. Make sure when you exhale, your lower abdomen is tight. You engage your core. Last one. Inhale, expand your rib cage. Exhale. Relax. Let's begin with standing marches. Keep your core engaged. Your abdomen should be tight. Inhale, with exhale, raise your hands up and lift your legs up. Go slow. Take wall support if needed. Your core is engaged throughout the movement. Keep going. Slow, control movement. For last 5. Keep going. Lift your leg as much as up you can. It's not mandatory that you lift your leg all above. Wherever you are, that is okay. Keep going for last 2. Your core is engaged throughout the movement. Last one. Balance. Relax. Now we'll be doing leg extension. Take wall support. Inhale, exhale, core engaged. Extend your leg side. Your whole body is balanced. Just extending the leg sidewise. Your core is engaged. Keep going for last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Your core is engaged and extend your leg. Look straight. Whenever you are losing your core engagement, just engage it again and start doing for last 5. You're engaging the core. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now we'll be doing leg extensions backward. Take again wall support if needed and keep going. Extend your leg back. Keep your body straight. Do not arch. Just extend as much as possible. Your body should be straight. Your core engaged. And keep going for last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other leg. 1, 2. Keep your core engaged. Your body straight. Not arching forward. Your body is straight. Your core engaged. And you are extending your leg backside. For last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now lie down on your back. We'll be doing heel tap. So your core is engaged, your lower abdomen flattened with the floor, your knees bend. With exhale, come to the position. Your core engaged and start tapping your heel. control. Keep going. Keep your core engaged. Wherever you are losing your core, just again engage the core and start doing. Make sure your core is engaged when tapping your heel. For last 5, 4, 3, 2, go slow, 1, last one. Keep your core engaged. Bring your legs down, relax. Now dead bug. Keep your both arms up. Come to the position, knees up, leg up. With core engagement, slowly, with control. Extend your opposite hand and leg. Bring it back. Go slow. Other side. Your core is engaged when you are extending the hand and leg. If anyway you are losing your core engagement, engage it again and then extend. Also, whenever you are during the extension, if you are losing your core engagement, wherever you are losing your core engagement, keep your hands and leg till that. Keep going for last 5, 4, 3. Go slow, engage your core. 2, 1. Release. Relax. Now let's begin with glute marches. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Exhale, squeeze your glutes, lift it up and start marching. Go slow. You squeeze your glutes, your core is engaged. And keep going. Keep your core engaged. Your glutes is squeezed. You exhale through your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Do not hold your breath at any count. Keep going for last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Release. Slowly come down. Take 5 long deep breaths. Now turn sideways. Extend both the legs. Core engaged. Inhale, exhale. Lift your hands up. Body hip up. Extend your hand. Look up. You engage your core. Your body straight. Hold for last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Quickly change other side. Extend your leg. Inhale, exhale. With inhale, exhale, lift your hands, hips up, core engaged. Hold for last 10, 9, 8. Keep holding. Exhale through your mouth. Your core is engaged. 5, 4. Look up. Balance. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now, lie down on your back. Use a ball or a pillow if you have. You can use a cushion as well. Keep in between your knees. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze your glutes, lift your hips up and hold for 10, 9. Squeeze your glutes, core engaged. 8, 7. Squeeze the ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Now one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Squeeze your glutes. When lifting his hips up, squeeze the ball and hold. Down. Up. Squeeze your glutes. Squeeze ball. Release. Come down. Up. Release. Down. Inhale up. Squeeze the ball. Down. Up. Squeeze the ball. Your glutes is squeezed. Core engaged. Down. For last 5. 4. 3. Core is engaged. 2. Last one. Release. Okay. Keep your index finger on your forehead, your middle finger above your eyes, ring finger near to nose, and little finger under your lower lip. Close your ear with your thumb. We'll be doing humming bass like sound while exhale, and we'll be doing 8 times. Let's start. Inhale. Last one. Relax.